Hey guys, Eric, Auto Advantage. Quick walk around video of our 2016 Volvo XC70. So let's get started. Car has 134,000 miles, white on black. California car since new, very nice condition overall. It's a 2.5 turbo, 5-cylinder, 250 horsepower, 266 pound-feet of torque. This is the engine you want. You don't want the newer 2-liter turbo that Volvo came out with. There's a lot of issues, so do your research on that. 26 MPG in the highway. This car originally had a MSRP of almost $47,000, so very nice car. It's got the Premier package, leather moonroof, navigation, proximity package, which is the keyless drive, backup camera, power liftgate, convenience package, which means front and rear park assist. Really only damage to note is this trim piece, which we're going to fix, just not done at the time of the video. Really good service history, mostly maintained at Volvo of San Diego up until about 125,000 miles. Then it was at an independent shop after that. We service the transmission. You can find the full Carfax on the website, but tune-up, transfer case, fluid has been flushed, timing belt service was recently done, struts, brake fluid flushes, primarily all done at Volvo San Diego. So extremely well maintained, obviously really important on any car, but especially a European car. Let's have a look at the inside. Leather's in really nice shape, as you can see. Definitely above average condition for the year. Obviously, rear seats do fold flat in the back, 60-40 split. When you think Volvo, you think safety. So these are some of the most safe cars you can buy. And if you're considering something similar, like a Subaru or an Audi, this is a really good option. These are much nicer, more option cars than a Subaru for similar money, and a more reliable car than an Audi. The Audi 2-liter turbo has a lot of problems, so this is definitely a better option. Pretty roomy, got 12-volt outlet in the back, cargo cover, power liftgate. You can reach us at 760-280-7648, or I Buy Clean Cars. It's got heated seats, obviously a backup camera. It's got the push button start, power seats on the front. So nice car, good option if you want something a little bit different than what's normally out there. These are kind of hard to find. 2016 was the last year of the cross country, and again, the 2.5 turbo, that is the engine you want. This is equipped with a 6-speed automatic, unlike the CVTs that you'll find, a CVT transmission you'll find in the Subarus, which, unless those are serviced basically like every 30-40,000 miles, those become extremely unreliable as they get higher miles. So 6-speed automatic is a more reliable transmission you want in a car like this. So 760-280-7648. Thank you.